Yes. All right. It's your favorite guy here again, King Sammy. And I can hear some people talking about Bitcoin dropping to 90,000 US dollars. And yes, that person might actually be right, but you can't just predict the market that way. The market is actually unpredictable. In this kind of situation, if you want to sell, it is best for you to wait for some crucial confirmation that will help you to know that now is the time to sell. You don't just want to start selling blindly. That is why majority of people lose their money in the market. So in this video, I just want to guys to pay attention as I do some clear detail analysis of what you need to see before you start selling Bitcoin. As at now, Bitcoin is still in an uptrend, and there is still a higher probability that Bitcoin will still go back up to 120 or 130,000. So don't think on it. So now I want you to pay attention to this key level right here. If you observe keenly that this key level, immediately the price got to that key level, the price bounces off and start rallying back up. And in that situation, it signifies that that key level is a very strong area. That is a support level. That is how market always reacts. But the only way you are going to rely or believe before you take a decision is when you are well informed about what is going to happen next. And that is only when you see a candle that closes below this support level. If you see a candle that closes below this support level, then that signifies that the price is likely going to continue downtrend. For example, let's assume that this daily candle closes like this. Let's assume that this candle has closed and this candle has not yet closed. This candle is going to close in the next 2 hours 9 minutes and 52 seconds, as you can see reading right now. So but the best way now, if this candle closes like this, why still here, which means if it closes below if it closes completely below this key support level, then that is a very good signal that the price is likely going to continue downward. But that means you shouldn't that doesn't mean you should enter immediately, but there's also other confirmations that you need to wait for you to start selling. But if we possibly see any candle that closes below this key level, then the market price is going to come down to this point, and that is 93,446. Are you seeing that? And that is those are the things that you need to pay attention to when you are trying to sell or buy. You want to make sure that you have a candle close, or you have a candle close above or below a support level, a candle close above a resistance level. That signifies that we call that break of structure, and that signifies that the market price is likely going to continue in that direction. But if it bounces off, it might likely started forming some other thing. The market might started consolidating from this point for a very long time before it rallies up again or it comes down again. But before you start selling, make sure you see a candle that clearly closes below the support level, and I can assure you the price will definitely come to this point. And if the same thing happens here, then the price is definitely going to come to this point as well. Because these are the reasons why many people lose money when they see markets moving in a certain direction. They just want to believe that wow, hey, wow, Bitcoin start selling, let us keep our money, let's invest our money, let's keep selling Bitcoin. And that is not the way to do it, because that's why a lot of people lose their money in this trading business. And I just want you guys to stay safe out there and make sure you keep your capital really safe. I wish you guys the best.